Hey, watch me install this iPart wig, which means no lace, no glue, no level. This hair is from Ilikehair.com. This is the goodies that came inside. It came pretty much with the brush. It came with this cute hairpin and clips. And of course, a wig cap in case you need it. This is how the hair looks on the inside. So it comes with 5 clips. You can see in the perimeter of the hair, like in the crown of the hair, an adjustable stripes, 2 combs in the back, and this is pretty much how the hair looks. Before washing it, you have to wash your hair. You have to wash your hair. So this is pretty much like a mixture of shampoo, a little bit of vinegar, and I like to use warm water. And this is pretty much self-explanatory. This is how I wash my hair to avoid tangling or even like knotting, right? Look at this. You have to wash your hair. You see how clear the water looks compared to the water before? And this is pretty much, again, how I just washed the hair. This is how the hair looked fresh, no product added. So what I'm doing, I'm applying a curl activator. You could literally use whatever you have. You could even just use mousse if that's all you have. And this is pretty much how I'm applying it. I decided to use a brush just to define. As you can see how the curls are like popping more. This is how it looks after it's fully dried. I actually left it to dry overnight, and this is how it looks. I just put my hair into 2 ponytails in the back, and of course I utilized that wig cap just to secure the back. And to install, I start from first applying, focusing on the elastic band, the adjustable elastic band from the back. Then I go and I push in the comb in the center and then the comb on the side. I would advise to not close the clips until you're confident with that's where you want to place the hair, just to avoid tension or irritation into the scalp. And yeah, this is pretty much how I placed it. Now this is the hair how it looks without any cutting, no shaping, and I didn't fix the part. So I'm going ahead and cutting the hair just to frame my face, a little better. You guys will see the huge difference afterwards. I just want to remind you that this hair, it can be dyed. This hair can be straightened. It's pretty much, you could wear however you like. And I'm showing you guys the use difference between when your hair is now cut. You see? And I like my hair big. So the curl was too perfect for me. So I decided to go and comb it out. And I noticed also combing it out, it allows the part to look even more seamless. So especially when you go to tease it, it creates like a nice blend. That's the word. And you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Hey, yes, look at the back. Alright, I decided to show some cute hairstyle that I will be rocking. I just wanted to make it as realistic as possible, which is pretty much I had headbands, covering it up with headbands or head wraps. And yeah, I also decided to show you guys how the hair looks if you decided to wear it as a side part. And this was definitely my favorite way. Sorry for the blur. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.